Have you ever wondered who's behind today's AI breakthroughs? Meet the AI research scientist. First, they're all about exploration. AI research scientists conduct cutting-edge research, testing out new algorithms and machine learning techniques to push the limits of AI. Next, they develop complex algorithms for things like natural language processing, computer vision, and more. This takes a lot of programming and modeling using tools like Python, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. Then comes sharing the breakthroughs. AI researchers publish findings in journals and present at conferences, helping the whole field move forward. And they don't just work alone. Collaborating with engineers and data scientists, they make sure these innovations have real-world applications. That's what an AI research scientist does in a nutshell. Make sure and subscribe for more tech insights and check out the links in the description below to build your AI skills. Thanks for watching.